Hi, I'm Stefan Mordue, Senior Manager for Education and Partnerships here at Bentley Systems, and I'm super excited to be part of the EC3 Summer School 2025, where I'll be leading a hands-on workshop on digital twinning. I'll be focusing on the planning and preparation needed for a successful implementation. So understanding what a digital twin is one thing, but knowing how to plan and prepare for one effectively is another. Many projects struggle because they jump straight into technology without addressing the critical groundwork required for a successful digital twin strategy. In this session, we'll explore the key planning steps, looking at defining your clear objectives, so what you want your digital twin to achieve. We'll be looking at data requirements and integration, how you structure and manage the right data sets. We'll be looking at choosing the right technology. So how do platforms like Bentley's iTwin experience help you to scale and future-proof your digital twin? We'll also be looking at stakeholder engagement and governance. So who needs to be involved and how do you ensure long-term success? Through a hands-on approach, you'll learn how to set up a structured, scalable digital twin that aligns with real-world needs, whether that's a smart city, whether it's